guys see your dad? Did you guys happen to see where your dad went? Millie, you look like you know where your dad went. Sky, did you see where your dad went? Chase, where did your dad go? Where did he go? Oh gosh, I gotta figure out where he went.
Kai, I hear footsteps. Do you hear it? Huh? Where are you going, buddy? The game's right here. What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
We're playing Fortnite. Look at us.
Fortnite?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, leave us alone. Come on, man. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Come on, Kai. You're supposed to play for me.